Whakalofa to Mako. Welcome back. What's up, Dave? What's happening today?
Today we're doing someone's birthday. Happy birthday, everyone. For Lily's birthday. So, yeah, I'm the MC today. Support me. So, yeah, awesome. How you feeling?
Yo, yeah, today it's Lily's birthday. Aho whanau e aho nei. Lima e tau. Lily's turning 5 today. We're out in Pakuranga celebrating 5th birthday, eh?
Yeah.
Big bro is the MC. Ooh. Cause look at those teeth. Oh, flash. So here we go, here we go. We gotta go around here. Any words for Lily?
Thank you, Lily. Happy birthday.
Hey, how old are you now, Tor?
6.
Ooh.
Hey, let's start with this guy.
Here's our karate champ here.
What's up, guys?
Any words for Lily?
Happy birthday, Lily. I like your birthday party. Got some nice food. And hope you have a good rest of your day. Birthday.
Any updates on your training for Worlds? Have you started yet or still kicking back?
We're starting in 2 weeks.
Oh, nice.
2 weeks and then get into
Cool, me. Show. Sweet, man. Thanks, Hector.
See you.
Who's next? Hugo. Oh, you boys, any words for Lily?
Happy birthday, Lily. I hope you have a very great day today. Have a very great birthday. Hope you have fun. Yeah. Happy birthday, Lily. Hope you have a great day today. Very happy for you, and hope you have a great day today.
Oh, lahi. Lily, no, Lani. Any words for your cousin?
Happy birthday, Lily. And I'm glad that you turned it 5 today. Happy birthday.
Oh, now.
Not now.
Oh, now. Tell her want to go to sleep.
Oh, we got the same shirt on. Nah? Yo.
Yo, happy birthday, Lily. Yeah, happy birthday. It's good to be here for your 5th birthday. Congratulations, you've made it this far. Got another 95 years ahead of you. So, yeah. Just in case you forget, I'm your Uncle Christian. Oh, here's Lily here. Yeah, so we're just hanging out. We're just that's what we do. We just hang out. But yeah, we wrote it on your card, but yeah. Don't stop smiling. It's the best thing we like about you. So yeah, it's important to have fun, and that's what we see Lily doing. She's always just getting out and about, so it's really good. Do you like my glasses, man? Like,
Yo, suit you.
no, I was asking the people on screen, like, you know, if you like, comment and subscribe down below. But yeah, man, yeah. I should take these other glasses off because now I got 2 glasses. But yeah, man, looking forward to the food too. The food looks good. I don't see a pig though, so Uncle Hayden. So Hayden usually have a pig on the 5th birthday. I don't know what happened, but I didn't get the invite to come and help. But yeah, man, that should be a good day. Yeah, should be awesome. See you about that.
Hey Lily, happy birthday. Hope you have a great day and catch you soon. That's it.
Thank you, man. Yo.
Hey, happy birthday, Lily. I hope you have a wonderful year at Mount Carmel. 5 years old now. You're such an amazing girl. And thank you to all our friends and family that came to celebrate your day. These are ruthless, man.
The glasses?
That's a cool setup.
Yeah. So yeah, we've got a couple of cool, fun activities. What's that name? Fingernails there. Sorry, they don't do toes. Just.
Hello. Happy birthday, Lily. Happy 5th birthday. God bless. Have a great rest of your day. Yeah. God bless you, Lily. I hope you have a very good birthday and yeah, have a great day. Stay positive.
Yo. Cousin Liam, the boys.
Happy birthday, Lily. I hope you have a good day today. Yeah. Thank you.
You really shitty.
Hello. Thank you. Happy birthday, Lily. Have a good party. Make sure everything is good.
I can't wait.
What would you like?
Do a little bit of ice cream because I put it up the rest of Skittle.
Marina ya whanau hao ma Lily, Judy, Wilma, Eric, Jones, Eric. Marina eli matau, Marina whakawhanaka. God bless you, Lily. You're 5 years old. David, can you please get away from me? Yeah, happy birthday, Lily. When you go to school, you're going to be a very, very clever girl, right? So eat all your lunch and make sure Lily, that you have plenty of lunch. Eh? I know you love to eat. Yeah, she loves eating. Marina, have a now, Kia? Ice cream there too.
Oh, still recording. Hey Lily, whakalawhātou, happy birthday. It was such a beautiful party today. Thank you for inviting me and your cousins. Your Uncle Gus sends his love to you and is looking forward to our next camp. And also thank you to David as well for being the best MC for your party. Have a lovely time at school next week, Lily, and all the best for your year ahead. We love you so much and wish you all the best. Yeah. All right, bye Lily.
So this banana cake's for you, David.
I'll say you're coming. It's my sister's birthday. So,
and now this third cake, we've got 2 birthday people. That's tomorrow. A 15-year-old. And a 21-year-old.
Happy birthday, Lily, and you are growing into an amazing child and look forward to all the things in school. Love me.
Yo.
Hey, happy birthday, Lily. Thanks for having us. Had a great time.
So you're not teenagers say happy birthday, Lily, but they would say happy birthday, so.
Happy birthday, Lily.
Monuina e aho whanau hao ma Lily. Hope you had a great day. It was an awesome party. This is the end of the day. We're all going home. We've got heaps of food to take home and snacks and tricks from you. Thank you for the glasses and all the fun we had at the ice cream party. So have a great 5th year. You're only 5 once, and then when it's finished, you turn 6. Okay, good. Have a good day. See you, my little lovely Lily. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lily. Thank you for the food. It was lovely. Look at awesome sister for me. She's good. Little lots, the kind, to Hayden somewhere. And thank you for all the gifts. And God bless you all. And good shout to Steph and Aiden. And that's all for me.
Hey, thank you to our family and friends for coming again. It was a good party. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video of the musical chairs. Did you get some footage?
Yeah. Oh.
It's always a laugh, eh? It's always one kid crying, one kid pushing, and one kid trying to pretend they didn't lose. So yeah, thank you. There's Jackson, he's got a big haul of balloons. And yeah, looking forward to all the cousins' birthdays and looking forward to the rest of the year. So whakawalahi, take care. Yeah. God bless.
Whakalawhalahi atu. Monuina e whanau hao ma Lily, Jones, Eric. Na koe ingo halili?
Walmart Eric.
Lily, Wilma, Eric.
Lily Jones, Walmart Eric.
Oh, okay. Okay. Lily, Judy, Wilma, Eric Jones. Wilma, Eric Jones. Okay. Tama si Masan, happy.